Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Poha Vada. Ingredients for Poha Vada: 1 cup of poha, little coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of curd, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, little curry leaves, small piece of ginger, 1 onion and 2 green chili, required salt and required oil to fry. We chop the onion, curry leaves, green chili, ginger and coriander leaves. So now we have to wash the poha and we will soak for 2 minutes. Add the poha in mixing bowl. We wash the poha thoroughly and we will little sprinkle the water just for 2 minutes. Keep the pan in flame. Add required oil. So we have to mash the poha. So it will be very tasty and very crispy vada. Add the rice flour. Rice flour as a binding material for poha. Curd. We have to add required salt. It's a very good evening snack for tea time. So we're going to add rest of the ingredients with this. Chopped onion, curry leaves, green chili, ginger, coriander leaves, so you can sprinkle water a little if it is too tight. The dough for vada is ready. So we are going to prepare the vada. Take a handful of dough. Wet your hand to flat round shape. Then dip it in the oil. So it's very tasty. Children will definitely like this. If you have poha at home, then the rest of the ingredients normally everyone is having at home. So you can prepare within half an hour this vada. Vada is getting fried. If one side is cooked, flip to other side. So all the vada get fried. So we're going to remove from oil. So in the same way we have to put all the dough. Poha Vada from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.